is Shiva Joy Lansari and I am teaching as assistant teacher in Kekewa Middle School, Saraswati Nagar. Today we are going to learn 6th standard geography lesson number 1, the earth and the creating cube. In that we are going to learn first globe. What is globe? Globe is a miniature model of earth's surface. With the help of globe, we can identify any place. But if you want exact place, you should know you require latitude and longitude. Now we are going to see first latitude. What is latitude? Latitude is a horizontal line which runs from east to west. Now 0 degree latitude. What is 0 degree latitude? Which passes in from the center from east to west, parallel latitude, which we are calling equator. Now after equator there is some important parallel latitudes which run from east to west. First we are going to see after equator 23 degree from 0 to 23 degree half north latitude and which is called torrid, and 0 to 23 degree and half in south, which is also called torrid zone. After this zone there will be, we are calling Tropic of Cancer, and here we are calling Tropic of Capricorn, as you can see in this diagram. After that there is again one more important latitude which is from 23 degree to 66 degree and half, 23 degree and half to 26 degree and half in south, and same here 23 degree half in north to 66 degree and half in north. This zone is called temperate zone, and we also call Arctic Circle, and here we are called Antarctic Circle. After that there is in after 26 degree and half to 90 degree, it is called frigid zone in North Pole and in South Pole. 26 degree and half to 90 degree it is frigid zone. Now and we are calling, because of equator has divided Earth's surface into two parts. First part we are calling North Hemisphere, upper part means northern part we are calling North Hemisphere, and lower part is calling Southern Hemisphere. After that we are going to learn heat zone. What is heat zone? Heat zones were divided into three parts, or it is having a three zones. First one is torrid zone. Now what is torrid zone? Torrid zone is a zone which is started from 0 degree to 23 degree north, and 0 degree from 0 degree to 23 degree and half in south. This zone called torrid zone. Why we are calling torrid zone? Because this zone gets maximum sun rays and perpendicular sun rays of this zone from the sun, and that's why it is gets maximum heat, and it is hot place. It is considered hot place. And after that there will be starting from 20 degree and half north to 66 degree in north, and 23 degree to 66 degree in south. As we can see here, this zone is called temperate zone. These both zones are calling temperate zone. This zone gets less sun rays because it is not perpendicular, and it is some kind of slanted, or that's why it gets less heats and sun rays, and means there is no noon or no sun on at noon. After that there will be last 26 degree and half to 90 degree in south, and from here 26 degree and half and 90 degree in north pole, it is called frigid zone. Why frigid zone? Because this area, both these areas were having very less sun rays. That's why this area have all kind of cold air and frigid zone. After that, we are going to learn longitude. Now, what is longitude? Longitude is a vertical lines which runs from west to east, and it is having one in center longitude, which is called zero longitude. It is also known as 0 degree meridian. From 0 degree, from the west side, it is increasing 15 degree as per as to add more 15 means 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90 up to 180. After from 0 to 180, this will finish, and from 0 to again 180 from the west side is total is 180 degree plus 180 degree means 360 degree our earth rotates, as you know. And here is for the completion of rotation of 360 degree, it required 24 hours, which is our day, full day. And means if you go in lower units, means 1 hour it takes 15 degree to complete the rotation of in 1 hour. Same here, in 1 minute it takes in 4 minutes it takes 1 degree to rotate. And if we say the distance between, and we draw it from equator to one line each here, and these lines were having means if there is 0, there will be 1 degree and 2 degree means each degree having each line having 1 degree, and up to 90 degree it completes. 90 degree of North Pole and 90 degree of South Pole, and it is now total 90 plus 90 degrees is equal to 80, and one more addition is here, equator line, and equator line will be added here 1, and that is total is 180, 1 latitude is there. After that, prime meridian. Prime meridian means what? Prime meridian, we all know. Prime meridian decides the standard time and local time of each country on the earth's surface. With the help of prime meridian, it is decided the time. And after this, graticule. Now what is graticule? Graticule is a network, a geographical network, geometrical network of Earth's surface. With the help of graticule, we can identify accurate place of any country, any place of the Earth's surface. And now uses of graticule. Now what is uses of graticule? Nowadays also we are using graticule in a GPS system, means vehicles, and GPS system means global positioning system, and GIS system means global information system, Wikipedia, ISRO, Google ISRO. We are using this method of graticule. That's all for today.